Most men don't realize just how much power their hands truly have when it comes to giving a woman pleasure. With the right technique, fingers alone can bring many women to orgasm. Why is that? Because fingers are flexible. They can bend, shift angles, adjust pressure, and move in ways no rigid object ever could. That's exactly what makes them such precise, effective tools when used with care. I'm Dr. Hana Kim, a specialist in men's sexual health. In this guide, I'll walk you through a respectful, step-by-step method for using your hands so your partner feels safe, valued, and deeply satisfied. There are two key foundations that must always come first. Consent. Ask openly, "Do you want me to touch you here?" Keep communication active the entire time. Preparation. Trim and smooth your nails. Wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap, making sure to clean under your nails. Remove any rings or jewelry. Keep an unscented, water-based lubricant within reach. Clean hands prevent irritation or small tears, while lubricant ensures every touch feels smooth and friction-free. For women, arousal doesn't just switch on instantly. It's a gradual, full-body experience. Begin far away from her most sensitive areas. Kiss her lips, neck, collarbones, and arms. Glide your hands slowly down her back and outer thighs. As you near the inner thighs, slow your rhythm even more. With her clothes still on, rest your palm gently over her vulva for a brief moment, then lift it away. Trace the edge of her underwear with your fingertips. This teasing back-and-forth motion boosts blood flow to the clitoris, labia, and vaginal entrance, making them far more responsive later on. Start by touching over her underwear, then move to bare skin once she's ready and gives consent. Outline her outer lips and thighs with your fingertips. When she feels comfortable, shift toward the inner lips. Avoid direct contact with the clitoris at first. Instead, trace around the hood using feather-light movements. Picture small circles, side-to-side motions, or gentle oval patterns. Pay close attention to her body language, her breathing, the way her hips move, or the quiet sounds she makes. Those are your signals to keep going. Every woman is unique, but most prefer consistent, predictable patterns rather than random, rushed movements. Movements matter. Try slowly circling around the clitoral hood, gliding from top to bottom and back again, or even tracing small figure eights. If she enjoys more surface contact, use 2 fingers together. If she prefers a more focused touch, stick with a single fingertip. Keep checking in with short, simple questions. Softer or firmer? Faster or slower? Higher or lower? Natural wetness signals arousal, but it doesn't always mean she's ready for penetration. Always ask first. Do you want me inside? If she agrees, apply lubricant and begin with 1 finger. Never go in dry. Glide gently into the vaginal opening, then pause to let her muscles relax. Use a slow come-here motion toward the front wall, rather than quick thrusts. Fingers are meant for precision and pressure, not for speed. Explore slightly in all directions, up, down, left, and right. If she tenses, stop, ease out a bit, or return to external stimulation. About 1 to 2 inches inside, on the front, belly side wall, you'll often feel a slightly spongy texture. This area, known as the G-spot region, becomes more distinct as arousal builds. Curl your fingertip toward it in a gentle beckoning motion. Start with light pressure, increasing only if she asks or if her body leans into it naturally. Most women enjoy steady, rhythmic strokes rather than intense or erratic ones. Use your free hand to steady her hip, stroke her stomach, or continue clitoral stimulation with your thumb. This blended touch can be especially powerful. If she desires more fullness, twist slightly and slide in 2 well-lubricated fingers together, keeping them curved so they stay in contact with the front wall. Inside, move in small arcs or smooth, come-here motions while your other hand maintains stimulation around the clitoris. often smaller movements are more effective than large ones. As her excitement rises, consistency becomes far more important than intensity. When she nears climax, her body will tell you. Faster breathing, trembling thighs, louder moans, hips pushing into you. Once you find that exact pressure and rhythm she responds to, don't change a thing. If she says right there, treat it as a command. Maintain that precise motion until she reaches her peak. Many women lose the feeling when the stimulation changes too quickly. Let's talk about a few variations they often enjoy. Hood strokes. Form a V shape with your 2 fingers and slide the clitoral hood softly up and down, never directly exposing the clitoris. Outer to inner wave. Glide your hands from the outer. Thighs toward the inner thighs, across the labia, and then back outward again. This helps reset sensitivity. Pressure hold. Gently rest your warm palm over the vulva, applying light pressure. This brings calmness between peaks of arousal. Angle shift. Place a pillow beneath her hips to slightly tilt the pelvis. This makes the front wall easier to reach. Always keep nails short, hands clean, and use lubricant generously. If you transition from anal to vaginal touch, thoroughly wash or switch gloves first. Should she experience burning or pain, stop right away. Add more lubricant and return to external touch only. Sharp pain is never okay. Warm stretching can be fine, but only if she clearly agrees. After orgasm, maintain gentle touch, easing down the intensity as her body relaxes. Many women love being held, stroked along the ribs, or having their hair softly caressed. Light massages on the thighs or belly can also be deeply soothing. Offer her some water afterward. Later, ask one simple question. What did you like most? That single piece of feedback becomes your best guide for next time. Not all women orgasm from internal stimulation, and that's completely normal. Some prefer clitoral focus only, while others enjoy a combination. The only way to discover her preference is by observing, asking, and listening. And remember, emotions matter. When a woman feels safe, cherished, and unhurried, her blood flow improves, her muscles loosen, and her pleasure deepens. Your hands can become incredible tools when guided by patience, precision, and care. If this guide was helpful, subscribe and share it with anyone who values genuine, respectful intimacy education. For men wanting to enhance their own performance, certain natural supplements can make a difference. 2 I often recommend are watermelon extract, rich in citrulline to boost nitric oxide in circulation, and an advanced blend combining tonkat ali, fenugreek, nettle, and citrulline, formulated to support erections, stamina, testosterone, and prostate health.